1954, 11 July 2023. I've never had one of these before. And, well, here it is. It's fairly heavy. About 20 pounds, I think. I didn't bring any equipment out here to really open it up. I've got to get out my thing here and open it up because this is going straight into the truck. I'm also waiting on another different Blue Eddy power supply that I can operate by way of the solar panel. So, like that. My unboxing it video. The Vevor 22 quart size. And, there we are. So put that down. There we go. Sounds like this. Everything is inside. Alright, so that's what's in the bottom of the box. Nothing. Okay, so we got that plastic bag on top. Then here we go. We got a like that. Here's all the stuff inside. So they didn't really ever show you, but there's a drain plug at the bottom. Got an ice cube tray. Actually comes with its own ice cube tray. That's nice, and it got a lid to it, so so it's silicone. That's nice. But I guess it's even nicer that it has a lid to it, so that when you're driving, it doesn't all spill all around. Okay, so the tray is well, the tray is, I guess, allows for expansion because, you know, when you freeze water, it gets bigger. So you can still get your finger in here and get it out. Good to know. And I'm not going to plug this in and try it, but this is covered by plastic here. You know, protective film. Let's see here. And then what? What else is there to know? Okay, you got your just a DC 12 or 24 volt inside here. Here's your sure we kind of sort of see it. Here's your compressor and all that. What's on the bottom? Just ridiculous. Oh, it shouldn't be holding this up. Well, okay, not much on the bottom. There's a drain plug. Okay. All right. Well, shouldn't be holding that high up. This is brand new, and you got to wait 24 hours before you open it. So what's in the box? Not much. Just a power plug for that. A power brick, which is rated, well, it's 100, 240 volts, 1.5 amps. Output volts is 14.5 volts at, well, 45 watts output. So here, let's let you see that. Just pause the video if you can see that in the thing. Hopefully you can see the light right or whatever. And it's got a figure 8 plug there. Of Of course, this has a figure 8 on the end, so it'll match, right? Okay. And then we have a a nice long heavy duty. This plugs into the side of the refrigerator, and then this is the plug. Okay, well now, all right. Yeah, okay, so here we go. The other end. So either you're going to use this with the AC, or you're going to use it with the DC, and you got to have this special plug. Okay, so, and it's got the notch in there to keep it polarized. So, and this is right angled, so it's not straight. Okay. And then we have our instructions. Of course, I think there's better instructions on the thing, but let's see if I just kind of, well, there's the instructions. I'm sure there's a, well, here we go. All kinds of instructions. Wait. So, maybe you can pause the video and read that, I don't know, but anyway. And we got a troubleshooting page, you got to have that, right? And you got a, it's all in English. Yeah, it's all in English, so that's good. So, and you got a couple of, well, iOS and Android. I guess I have to do the Android because I don't have any iOS. Alright, so that's it. Okay, so I'm going to let the let the compressor, let all the oil fall down inside of it properly. But I've always wanted one of these, so quick. That's all I know about this unit here. I did a lot of measuring, so I wanted to make sure that I could put a, well, anyway. Okay, so it's got about a, I'll see, I got a measuring stick here. They don't tell you that, but let's see here. Let's pull this up. Close that. And the insulation around this, wait. The insulation around here is about 1.5 inches, or maybe 1 3/8 inches roughly. So if you're ever wondering how thick this is, it's 1 3/8 inches thick. So you got to allow for the plastic and then whatever kind of insulation they have in between the two plastic things. I don't know if that's a light or not. I guess so. I don't know what that is. I don't know if this has a light. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, I don't know. Okay, well, that's all I know. This is a car refrigerator. So my happy little getting, oops, kick the tripod. Okay. Let's see, so, and I'll just bring it up close here. Let's see, we've got, what? We've got this, that, and just like it shows in this thing. Only 8 minutes long, okay. And it's not as big as I thought it, well, yeah, it's the right size, okay. Anyway, that's all I know. Hope you enjoyed. Good day, bye-bye. I'm going to put this thing away in the truck and move some things around and get it situated before I go to use it. Thanks, bye-bye.